Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be making some cupcakes that are going to be used in a birthday cookie platter. First I'm going to make the wrapper for the cupcake. I'm using about a 15 to 20 second flood consistency icing. Now using purple royal icing, also in about a 15 to 20 second flood consistency, I'm going to pipe purple dots into my blue royal icing. Now, taking my parchment paper that I've folded into an accordion fan and taped at the bottom, I'm going to place it on top of the royal icing. I want the cupcake cookie to look like it has a cupcake wrapper at it. I'm going to gently press down and make sure that the fan has contact with the royal icing. Then I'm going to take my Scribe and kind of go along the creases to make sure that the royal icing has good contact. And it kind of also pushes the icing up into the top of the peaks. You could also use a toothpick to do this. Let the cookie dry for at least 6 hours before removing the parchment paper. Repeat the process for the rest of your cupcake cookies. Now that our cupcakes are dry, it's time to carefully peel off the parchment paper. Continue to peel the parchment off of all of the cookies. If some of your royal icing has dried outside the edges of your cookie, you can take a kitchen paring knife and scrape off the royal icing. Be very gentle as you're doing this. Or if you have a micro-zester, it's really easy to shave off the edges. I don't happen to have one at the moment. Take a paintbrush and wipe off any shavings from your cookie. Now I'm going to pipe the frosting for the cupcake cookies. I did this in 3 sections. First, I outlined and filled the bottom section. I let that dry. Then I went back and did just the very top section of the cupcake, and I immediately added sprinkles to that section. Let the top section dry for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'm coming back in now and doing the middle section. Now I'm adding some sprinkles to the middle section, and our cupcake cookies are done.